Which country has the largest number of military helicopters? Here is the official ranking of the top 10 countries in helicopter power for 2026. 10. Italy. Number of helicopters, 352. Most famous helicopter, Leonardo AW249. 9. Pakistan. Number of helicopters, 379. Most famous helicopter, AH-1Z Viper. 8. France. Number of helicopters, 452. Most famous helicopter, Eurocopter Tiger. 7. Turkey. Number of helicopters, 509. Most famous helicopter, T-129 ATAC. 6. Japan. Number of helicopters, 583. Most famous helicopter, AH-64D. 5. India. Number of helicopters, 594. Most famous helicopter, HAL Prachand. 4. South Korea. Number of helicopters, 827. Most famous helicopter, KU-H-1 Suryan. 3. China. Number of helicopters, 1,007. Most famous helicopter, Z-10 Fierce Thunderbolt. 2. Russia. Number of helicopters, 1,643. Most famous helicopter, Ka-52 Alligator. 1. United States of America. Number of helicopters, 5,913. Most famous helicopter, AH-64 Apache. Do you think the number of helicopters decides aerial battles? Share your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.